Let us talk about S3 interoperability. And the term interoperability, if you've never heard it before in the context of cloud services, is the capability of cloud services to exchange and utilize information seamlessly with each other. So the idea with interoperability is that it's very easy. There's no intermediate application integration service that does it. It just works. And the reason we don't cover all these functionalities in this S3 section is that we cover them in the respective service that has that integration with it. So I kind of wanted to just make sure that you understand that there's a lot more going on with S3 than just what's in this S3 section. But here are examples of AWS services that have interoperability, and that's by them dumping data to S3 or doing something otherwise. And it's not a complete list, it's just an example of popular services that are working with S3. The first is EC2, so it stores snapshots and backups in S3. RDS stores backups and data exports to S3. CloudTrail stores API call logs in S3. CloudWatch logs export logs metrics to S3. AWS Lambda outputs data logs to S3. AWS Glue it stores its ETL results in S3. For Kinesis, when we're talking about data streaming, it can dump data from Firehose to S3. So there's a service called Kinesis Firehose, and so it can stream to S3 or the results to it. EMR, so it uses S3 for input-output data storage. Redshift, it unloads data S3. AWS Data Pipeline moves, transforms data to and from S3. Amazon Athena outputs query results to S3. AWS IoT Core stores IoT data in S3. If you are taking any kind of data-related certification, they really want you to know interoperability between services, so make sure you understand the limitations and restrictions or what can and cannot be moved to and from with S3 and other services, okay?